Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Gallon.
What does the dictionary say?
A common unit of capacity in English-speaking countries, equal to 4 quarts.
Math rap.
Don't know what's a gallon? Time to think quick, kid. It's a unit of volume for measuring liquid. A gallon equals 4 quarts, 8 pints, or 16 cups. It's 128 fluid ounces if you fill a gallon-size jar up.
Math rap.
Where did you learn exactly how much 4 quarts measures up to? From a gal on TV. Explain gallons in your own words. If I had a half dozen gallons of milk but drank half of all of that, how many gallons of milk would remain? What types of liquids can be measured in gallons? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!